should. Went out onto the goddamn motherfucking farm. Everybody tried to make me look like Farmer Brown, but I wouldn't wear suspenders and I wouldn't wear overalls and I would use a pitchfork and I wouldn't do nothing. Tried to get me to roll up some hay, 'cause I didn't, and I fucking slit their throats. But that's okay, because I went out on the farm and I saw the little sheep and they had stuff. Plus, look in their mouth, there's fucking fangs. Then there was this pig. He was rooting around in the ground and he was looking for some apples to eat, but then he jumped at your neck and he had a pair of fucking fangs and he sucked all your blood and you laid there dead. And you had a straw hat on, you were listening to some Hank Williams Jr. But you're dead, because a fucking pig from the farm sucked your blood and that wasted your life. And that's because all farm animals have fangs 75,000 inches long. Then there was a chicken. He was trying to eat some corn, but you wouldn't let him. And he got pissed off and he bit you with his fucking fangs and he died just like he deserved to, you fucking country hick piece of shit, cum shot butt. Yeah. And there's a cute little duck swimming in the pond. You thought you pet him, but you made a big mistake, 'cause he had fangs from space and he bit your ass off.